What? Stop. How do you spell burp?
B-U-R-P.
Dude, I knew that.
I found a hat.
You look so sexy.
I know, right?
Wear it right, dude. Wear that with pride. You better sport the DC's logo, dude.
I'm wearing DC pants.
Dude, I know. That's why. When you come over to my house, you gotta sport DC.
I don't like it forward. I
can't
even see anything.
Well, don't be so stupid then.
People ignore our requests for.
I'm joking. Oh, we're coming out with a soundtrack, guys. With all the music you hear in the background.
Yeah, you can buy it for $75.
75 cents. Oh yes, we will tell you, Leslie,
when we post the video about her
this
photo chip video. Alright, so Leslie has a
Hunter's being a dick. I wouldn't listen to him right now.
what's it called?
Down me to snatch my
What's it called?
Snatch them camera chip.
Sure. Memory camera
A
chip.
criminal's at large, smoking a big fat cigar and a flashy gun.
I've always wanted to look at the camera.
How'd that smell?
Smell pretty bad.
Oh my god. Woo! Can we call it truce, please? No more. Yes, we are narrating.
N-A-R-R-O-R. Narrower. 18. Narrative.
I spelled it N-A-I-T-A-N-N-G-D-S-O-I-N-G. Woo!
Please spell narrating.
N-A-R-I-T-A-N-N-G-D-S-O-I-N-G. Next spelling bee champ. Me, Shane.
89% dumb.
It's not true.
Yes, it is. We both took a stupid test. Yeah.
Yeah, we did. I'll admit to that.
You got 12.
I got 12. Right. I got 12 right.
For being stupid. Out of 14, which makes him 89% dumb. And I took it too. I was only 12% luckily. But at least I'm not a complete moron like Shane.
At least I'm happy. Retarded and happy.
He's retarded and gay. That's what gay means, happy.
Okay. Just tape stuff, dude. Tapes it.
Hurry, Shane, open your mouth.
No! No! You suck.
Didn't get anywhere on your keyboard.
Here, put this tape stuff up, dude.
Where's it going?
Your face?
Oh. Where'd you get it?
I don't know, I got it from this drawer in my house.
Johnny Scissors.
No, just use your teeth. There you go. What a homo. That didn't work.
Doesn't work at all.
Can we stop recording now? I'm done.
No, HSP
is done for right now. I'm not putting that in my mouth, you queer.
Wait, hold on. You want to?
No.
Okay.
Ready? Now say what you gotta say. Wait, what are you trying to say? I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
HSP out.
Bye-bye.